Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today let me show you how to increase your chances of loan approval on Upstart in 2025. So if you want to improve your odds of getting an Upstart loan, just follow these steps to maximize approval chances and to secure better terms. Now, the first, of course, is to check your credit report and fixed errors. So, get a free credit report from the website right there on the screen. That's annualcreditreport.com. And you can dispute any errors or outdated accounts or fraudulent activities that may lower your credit scores. So once you're done with those, you can also improve your debt to income ratio. So pay down existing debts before applying for a new one. You also want to make sure you avoid new loans or credit card applications in the months before applying. Next, you can choose the right loan amount. So large loan amount increases the lender's risk of making approval harder. And if you're borderline eligible, request a lower loan amount for a better chance of approval. You could also maintain a stable employment history. So frequent job changes can signal, financial instability to, Upstart's AI system. So if possible, apply when you've had at least 6+ months of continuous employment, and that's gonna, increase your odds. The fifth is to strengthen your financial profile. So have a bank account with consistent cash flow because lenders prefer borrowers who regularly deposit money into their bank accounts. You want to make sure that you avoid overdraft because multiple overdraft fees signals financial distress and it may impact your approval. You also want to consider a different loan purpose. So Upstart evaluates the intended use of the loan because loans for debt consolidations, for home improvement, or for education, these are seen as lower risk than loans for investments or discretionary spendings. Also, you want to ensure that you meet Upstart's basic eligibility. So, of course, you got to be at least 18 years old or 19 in some states. You also got to have a U.S. bank account and a verifiable source of income, and also you must have no bankruptcies or delinquent loans in your credit history. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.